Hi Andy, I'm looking at the poster here. I'm going to open up the links panel. I see that there were three links in here, but the black one is actually, if we push W, it's off to the left here, and it's something that can be deleted. It's not being used, and this one might look pixelated to you, but if you zoom in on it, it's actually clear. It's an EPS file. .eps file, so that means it's pretty high resolution. It shouldn't be there shouldn't be any issues with it. Bob and the Band is also fairly high resolution, so both links should be in the folder that I gave you. If you have broken links, you may have to go into the links panel and relink, and then navigate to the folder that you downloaded, go into the links folder, and then just select the file that matches the name on each link to relink the file. But you don't need the black PNG. It's off to the side. We're not using it. And this is not pixelated. But just make sure in the links panel that they are actually hooked up. You may have to rehook them up. You just go into the links panel, click on it, and then relink. And then just go to your downloads folder, last best waltz folder links, and then, whichever one you're on. So I'm on Bob and the Band. You might have to double click there, and that'll relink it to the link. So if it is broken, it'll fix it. And you might have to do that with both links, but they should be okay. And then also with the fonts, if you're missing the fonts, you can go in here, double click here, go inside the font folder, and then just double click on these and install the font. And you may have to find the Adobe font here. I'm not quite sure. I don't know if that's even being used, but definitely double click on these to install them so that you have them. You may have to shut down your computer and restart to get it to show up in your font list, but more than likely you probably don't have to do that. So I think you should be okay. Maybe just like you said, maybe just not super familiar with InDesign, but it should be okay. So anyway, I'll talk to you later.